Okay, YouTubers, this is probably going to be in multiple parts, but this is a Rav4 EV 2014. Had a charging problem, intermittent, and after it didn't charge, then it just stopped charging. So I went and got a second charge controller. This is the original, and this is the actual numbers off of it right there. So that's what came with the Rav4. It is a Gen 1 Model S charger. So I took this apart, and on this side down here there is 2 fuses underneath this case. Unfortunately, it's not built over here where the engineers should have put the damn fuses. It's accessible to the outside, but it's inside. So they're both blown. So I took this one out, and then I put the replacement in, then went to reflash the computer, and it wouldn't do it. I tried everything under the sun. Then I had Vladimir from Ukraine go on with the remote control, and he tried to diagnose what the problem was. Couldn't figure it out, I guess. He has a few hunches, but as far as I'm concerned, I have to get this thing running. So I'm taking that one out, which is a good controller. I'm going to take the computer boards out of this one and then put them into that one, so the charger's good. So this is the second time's a charm. Hopefully it works and everything runs, or otherwise it's got like 40 miles on it left. So I'm going to leave this on a tripod so you can see everything, and it's going to be real time working, so there's no pauses, cuttings, phasing in, phasing out, all that good stuff. So unfortunately I don't have a GoPro yet, and this is going to be the start. So you're going to see me coming and going and hear all the radio stuff in the background. So that's it. So anyway, first thing first, catch all the coolant, because a lot of this coolant's going down. So I'm going to just drain it into a pan down there. I'm not going to reuse it at all. I'm not going to waste my time. Let's just start tearing this thing apart here. I'll try to pause this first part here, the intro, and then maybe this will be part 1, and then I'll get to the as soon as I get set up for deleting the coolant, I'll start from there.